Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a data analyst? This intriguing profession has seen a surge in popularity over the last few years, and for a good reason. Data analysts play a crucial role in helping organizations make sense of the vast amounts of data they generate every day. Today, we'll delve into the journey of becoming a data analyst, breaking it down into 8 manageable steps. Step 1 is to develop a strong foundation. A solid background in mathematics and statistics is key to understanding and interpreting data. Brush up on your algebra, calculus, and statistical theory. Understanding basics of programming is also crucial. Learning languages such as Python and R will be beneficial in the long run. Step 2 is acquiring relevant skills. This involves learning how to use data analysis and visualization tools. Software such as Excel, SQL, and Tableau are commonly used in the field of data analysis. Proficiency in these tools can greatly enhance your ability to manipulate and visualize data. Step 3 is about learning data analysis techniques. It's more than just crunching numbers. You'll need to understand methodologies such as regression analysis, clustering, and machine learning. These techniques help you to draw meaningful insights from complex data sets. Gaining practical experience is the 4th step. Theoretical knowledge is important, but nothing beats hands-on experience. Participate in data analysis projects, coding competitions, or internships. This will help you apply what you've learned and gain a deeper understanding of the field. Step 5 is to stay updated with industry trends. The field of data analysis is dynamic and ever-evolving. Be proactive in keeping up to date with the latest tools, techniques, and trends. Regularly read industry journals, attend webinars and conferences. Step 6 involves networking and collaborating. Connect with other data analysts and professionals in the field. Engage in online forums, join professional groups, and participate in discussions. Collaboration can open up opportunities for learning and growth. Step 7 is to leverage online learning resources. The internet is a treasure trove of information. Use online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy to learn new skills or enhance your existing ones. Many of these platforms offer professional courses in data analysis, often taught by industry experts. Finally, step 8 is to land your first data analyst job. Apply for entry-level positions to gain professional experience. Use your network, job boards, and company websites to find opportunities. Remember, the goal is not just to get a job, but to continue learning and improving. So, there you have it. 8 steps to become a data analyst. Develop a strong foundation. Acquire relevant skills. Learn data analysis techniques. Gain practical experience. Stay updated with industry trends. Network and collaborate. Leverage online learning resources. And land your first job. Each of these steps is a milestone in your journey to becoming a successful data analyst. Stay focused, be persistent, and remember, the world of data is waiting for you.